got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't.
This is a recap of the beginning of my project. I decided to roll the paint on. I did end up getting a sprayer, which I will use at some point. But for now, it's just easier for me to roll these big spots. And then I'll come back with it and do the touch-ups later. The rest of the house is stucco, but when they did this addition, they just used this wood. And I think I had mentioned before in my previous video that I hope that it's pressure treated wood. Now, my neighbor did alert me yesterday underneath those boards. He saw an area where the termite situation, so of course I got the spray and got to spraying, because what I'm not going to have is these little things eat up my house. To be honest, I need to paint all the boards, even the gutter. I don't know if that's something I'll probably have to hire somebody to do, because I don't think I want to do all that. And Manny can't do this anymore. He can't get up on that ladder and do this. So it's either myself, or I have to hire somebody, or I get my neighbor to come over and help me. See, I've got that part done. I still got to do this. I got to do across that fascia board. And under here. Under here. But not today. This side of the addition and the other side of the addition, which is this side, I'll do eventually. No big hurry. Today I am going to attempt to finish this area, and with a little help, try to get up there on those fascia boards. And I'm painting around these trim boards because the guy that came from Home Depot the other day to take the measurements of the window, he told me to go ahead and paint that because part of the window is going to cover that. I was under the impression that I would have to take that out. He said no, the window will cover part of that. So I'm going to go ahead and get that out of the way now. I still have plenty of time, but I have to do stuff when I'm, feeling up to it. Also, when I look at some of the wall where I have scraped off some of the chip paint, I'm going to go back over it again. As you can see, I'm all over the place with this paint sprayer. That's because I'm trying to touch up areas that needs more paint. Parts that I see that's bleeding through. But like I said before, I am going to go back over this again with the roller, using my other gallon of thick paint. This little paint sprayer, I got it off of Amazon for $39, and I didn't want one that you had to plug up, so I got the one where you need the battery, and it's compatible with your Ryobi battery. So I ended up using the battery that's attached to my nail gun, and that's what I'm using here. Now we do have a professional paint sprayer, but many say it's not working now, so you know, he doesn't do this anymore, so it's just sitting in this shed. Otherwise this thing would be and be done. But this thing is sputting out. It's not bad for $39. It's getting the job done. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on a sprayer. If you're interested in the sprayer, I'll leave a link in the description area. My neighbor came over and relocated this garden bed because it was in my way. Trying to get up on the ladder and paint the fascia board, I was afraid I was going to fall right into it. Plus, I didn't want it there anyway, anymore, so he removed it. And of course, yeah, I need to do something with that. I don't like the way that's looking. And that board up there split, which he tried to fix. I'll probably need to replace the entire board because it's not even. And of course, over here I have plans for this little area. Now, once I get it all done, I am going to do some type of a little garden feature. I went on ChatGPT and it gave me an image of what everything will look like once the windows are in, the wall is painted. I'm going to put a little image here. That looks so nice. And you know, being hot out here, the climate, I want nothing but desert type plants, you know, that can thrive in all this heat. Look at this yard. Oh, I can't stand it. One of these days, I'll get it together. You have to do things, you know, when you can do it and when your pocket allows you to do it. And right now, I need windows, so I'm focusing on that right now. And one thing at a time. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.